Yes, good afternoon, YouTubers. You can see I'm doing some jerk sauce. My own jerk sauce that I build. See it? Look at it. So lots of scotch bonnet, ginger, lots of ginger, ginger, garlic, pimento, pepper, thyme. That is the way I do it. I already blend up some. You can see it. Look inside of it. Look. You can see it. And then, so what I like you to do, like, share, subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way Auntie Claire do her jerk sauce that I put on my chicken, pork, everything. You can see I do my ginger, thyme, right? Ginger, lots of ginger, scallion, lots of scallion. I do that. And garlic, lots of garlic, lots of garlic, right? That's the way I do it. And I have my scotchy pepper. This is the scotchy pepper, right? Thyme, ginger, okay? Scallion and pimento that I take from Jamaica. I put 3 bags of this in there. Pimento, right? I put lots of it, so I have the real thing going, right? So you can just like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to touch the notice button to tell a friend, That's when anything, you can do it. This is the way Auntie Claire do her jerk sauce. Okay? Just like up the thing, man. Let it go, man. Please and thank you very much. This is the way I do it. So I'm gonna just blend up again. Yeah, I'm just doing it. Then you're gonna see a different color again. How I do it. And backer it. I'm gonna backer it. I have my backer them. Okay? This is the backer them. I backer them up. Okay? I put them in my container. That is the way Auntie Claire do his jerk sauce. I always have them in backer. I always have them in my thing going. Okay? So just like up the channel, like up the thing. Okay? Like and thank you. Auntie Claire jerk sauce. So share. Don't forget to touch the notice button to tell a friend. Subscribe to the channel. Please and thank you. Have a blessed one. Peace out.